Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start now by prepping nails. Trim, file, and gently push back cuticles so polish adheres. Once done, apply one thin base coat. If you use gel, cure for 30 to 60 seconds. Make sure to load your workspace with white polish for the Panda background and black polish for ears, eyes, and nose. Also have a dotting tool and a fine brush ready so you can move straight into painting without interruption. You now paint the Panda faces over the white base. First apply 2 thin coats of white polish, drying or curing between coats for an even canvas. Then use a 0.5 to 1 mm dotting tool. Place a large round dot for the head and smaller side dots for the dark eye patches. Next, pick up a fine brush to shape ears and a tiny triangular nose. Make sure to clean excess polish between strokes so shapes stay crisp, and you finish by adding tiny white highlights in the eyes to bring the Panda to life. Then seal everything with a glossy top coat. Cure or dry fully to prevent dents. If a smudge happens, quickly dip a fine brush in acetone and lift the mistake, then let the area dry and reapply top coat. Finally, make sure to seal the free edge and clean the cuticle area so your Panda art lasts longer and looks neat.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.